Festival season is approaching. Diwali, Christmas, New Year, so on so. Colorful festival nights to bring some trendy, magical, dreamy home, interior and exterior to the life. I'm here to bring you some of the best, simplest solution to bring the magical moments at your interiors and exteriors. So let's begin. Hey everyone, welcome back to Freeway Studio. Today we are looking at three different type of LED string lights: USB powered, solar powered, and battery operated. This all will be awesome addition to your decoration toolkit, making a colorful atmosphere at your home interior or exterior, parties, functions, wedding, also a Christmas decorations. All these LEDs are waterproof and it will create a magical moments. First one, the USB powered. Just plug them into a power bank, laptop or USB charger. The one I am holding is a 3 meter length, different length also available. The second one is solar LED auto garland lights. Stylish, eco-friendly, and it will illuminate on any occasions. It comes with a stand to put the solar panel to charge 8 hours minimum to illuminate 6 to 8 hours of magical lights. And multicolor modes are available to make different colors. The third one is Rippon LED string lights. It's battery powered. The one I'm holding is 5 meter length. The USB connected device is super convenient, especially if you are setting up these lights in a tricky spots like outdoor spaces or around larger decorations. You may easily power them with any USB port, which gives you a lot of flexibility when it comes to placement. Solar LED equipped with a smart daylight sensor, automatically switch on when it gets dark and off when the sun rises. Simply cool. The Rippon string light insert 3 AA batteries. It's automatic and multicolor. No remote, no flashing lights. Available gold or silver colors. All these three don't have remote control. One of the best features of these lights is the flexible copper silver wire. It's super easy to shape around furniture, railings, plants, or any other surface you want to decorate. The wire is steady yet delicate, so you can get creative with how you use it. At night, these lights truly shine. They create the perfect fairy light effect, transforming any space into a dreamy, glowing scene and fit any theme. You can also use these lights for fun projects, put them in a jar for a lantern effect, use them to light up photo displays, part of your holiday crafts. The options are endless. The LED string lights, whichever you choose, it will give fantastic way to elevate your decorations. Next one is RGB LED strip light. This is very useful for decorating your bedrooms or backside of TV or even hall or hallways, something like that permanently. So it will be very useful for that. The one I'm holding is here is 5 meter length. So you just have to peel it off and stick in the back of your hallways, bedrooms or wherever it is required. And it is operated by the Bluetooth remote control. It comes with a lot of modes and it is very good also. It's working very fine. So that's a fantastic thing. Then you can peel it off and stick anywhere. And it is comes with the Indian type of socket as well, so you can just power it on and straight away you can illuminate your bedrooms, hallways, and it will be fantastic. Strip roll, RGB strip roll, the various color modes and flash modes. This looks very attractive, guys. Next one, LED floodlight. It is RGB actually. It comes with a nice packing. So this is how the packing comes. Attached the tap also. It looks very nice. So you can fix it anywhere. This also you can operate with the remote control. And also it is IP68 waterproof rating and the power is 50 watts. So the power is more than enough to light up your gardens, balcony, or your party zone, something like that. So let's power on and see. The wire length 10 inches only, so you have to extend with additionally connecting the wires. You can power on with that and reduce the ISO red green, yellow, white, blue. So everything is working perfect, and so this is one of the good product, and it comes with various other modes also. This one plus multi modes. All are working fine. When I received this pack, there is no any battery, so I couldn't operate with the battery. So I tried to find out the battery also, that it is working with the CR2032 battery cells. So like this it will be. So you have to find out one if you don't get that with the remote. Now nowadays the AliExpress says they cannot export with the battery, so that's why it's happening. So if you are receiving a package without the battery, try to find out CR2032 or CP2032. The both will be working with these remotes. The next one, outdoor garden decorative lights. It's not a lights, it's a butterflies. To add charm to your pathway, patio or lawn, these waterproof solar butterfly lights are perfect for any outdoor setting, guys. Each light features an oversized 3-watt solar panel and comes in both warm white and colorful light options. They can run up to 6 to 12 hours, I guess, for a single solar charge. The automatic power on and off function, sometimes it is working, sometimes not. So but if you are lifting it up into the top, it will be switching off sometimes, switching on sometimes. When you put it for charging the sunlight, solar to visible to the sunlight, then it is getting power off, but it is not frequently working. If you are interested in picking this up for yourself, I will leave a link in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this review helpful. Subscribe for more product reviews, and I will see you in the next video.